Hey, SurviveX here, and today we're going to talk about the survival chainsaw. Now, not the one you use to cut down trees, which you can use this to try to cut down trees. But this saw here is like a pocket-sized saw. Just put in your pocket and let's go. Now, you can use this for more than just that. People have built like snails out of it, traps out of it. If you're in the business of choking somebody out, this would be a good thing to use. I'm not saying to do it, I'm saying it's a good thing if you're in the business. Anyway, you see this right here, see how it's kind of bungee? It's got a very like gritty finish on it. So we're going to find some trees to cut, some small ones and get some big ones, see how deep it does. And before we do that, I'm going to send you over to the next cut to show you some info facts. Okay, I'm going to show you what a penny screwing a penny looks like. There she be. Penny, screw, penny. Okay, I'm going to try it on this tree right here. It's about 2 inches thick. I'm going to give it about 10 passes. And let's see what it does. And I want to let you know I did buy this for about $2.50, so it's cheap for these things too. If you want one cheap, you go to China, order from China for about 80 cents or so. I have watched a video of these snapping on people, so let's give it a shot on this one first, the 2-inch, and then we'll try something a little bigger. So I'll put it like so. Put your fingers in there. So let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3. Catch it on me. 4, 5. It's cutting, but it's catching on me. Well, 6. That's biting in. 7, 8, 9, 10. That was kind of hard, but it did cut. But let me show you about what it did. Focus. 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 There we go. It's about a third of the way in there, and you see I missed a few times at the top. The bottom was in there, but it was tough. I had problems with it non-stop, but still it's faster than some methods, and this is my first time using this. So once I get it down, I probably can do it within 2 or 3 minutes. So let's try a bigger tree and see what happens on that one. Okay, so the next thing we'll try is this tree right here in front of us. Now this tree right here is probably 4.5, 5 inches thick. So we're gonna try a bigger tree and see if it get caught up like the small one did. I'm using the same one, like so, and but I noticed pieces of the old tree is all in it. So hopefully that won't stop me cutting this tree, like so. Hopefully this won't let me stop cutting the tree, but let's try it out. And we'll do 10 passes. 1, 2, 3. Still catching. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I see what it is. 9, 10. It's catching because I put too much pressure on it. So let me try it in a different spot. Put less pressure on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that worked good. So what I'm doing wrong is I'm putting too much pressure on this, and it's cutting decent now. Here, let me show you. That's the second one. You know, it made a mark, but something like that is going to take a while. It's not very deep. There we go. See how it's not very deep. Check this one out. That's the first one I did with a lot more pressure and get caught up on me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the first one, the 2-inch one, put less pressure on it, and see what happens then. Okay, back to the smaller tree. This is the 2-inch one. Once again, I'm going to do it 10 times with less pressure on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did okay. Let's see what it looks like then. Let's see, get you to it. There we go. It did a little bit. Come on, focus back. There we go. It did a little better, but still, you'd be here 10-15 minutes, and I think by the time you get halfway through it, it's going to get caught up again, so I don't know. Okay, the overview of this. Well, it's not that great. It cuts, but you know, if you're out there in survival or camping wise, you probably get frustrated and throw it in the woods. I know I would. But it can use good with snares. Like I said, I haven't tried it. It's got a good feeling to it, the coarseness of it. It's good use for that. But for sawing, there's a whole lot better things out there. Even though this is cheap, it's like $2.50, but yeah, I don't want it. For that, I mean, if you want one, just put one in your pocket, and just in case. But not for me when it comes to sawing. At least it didn't snap on me. I saw some videos of these things snapping on people. At least it didn't do that. But there she be.